Dear guys and listeners, today we will start about biology. So what is biology? If you love biology, then let's start biology. What is biology? What are its different branches and divisions? So bio means life. So biology, the word biology was used for the first time by a Swedish scientist named Cornelius in 1736. A Swedish scientist Cornelius used the word biology for the first time in 1736. When they used 1736. So, what is the derivation of word biology? The word biology is derived from two Greek words. Bio means life and logos means study. Bio means, the meaning of word biology is, bio means life and logos means study. So the study of life is called biology. The study of life is called biology. Next we define it. The study of life, or the study of living organisms. Those who have life, what we call those things, those are called living organisms. So the study of living organisms is called biology. Study of living organisms is called biology. So what is life? Life, the condition that distinguishes organisms from inorganic object and dead organism, being manifested or expressed by growth through metabolism, reproduction, and the power of adaptation to environment through changes originating internally. So life are those conditions which distinguishes living organisms from non-living organisms. How they can be distinguished? The living organism will show growth through metabolism. Metabolism is the phenomena of catabolism, and anabolism is collectively called metabolism. They will show reproduction. They will give offspring. Living organism will show reproduction, and they will adapt themselves to their environment through changes originating internally. If environment change, they will feel that changes and they will change themselves accordingly. So we can define it as the sum of distinguishing phenomena of organism, especially metabolism, growth, reproduction, and adaptation to environment, same like the before. This is also the intimate existence or period of intimate existence of individual to risk one life, a short life, and a merry life. So in intimate existence or period of intimate existence of an individual means an individual. Intimate means an individual can reproduce offspring, can do metabolism, can live, etc. So and merry means happy life. So they are same like before. And this is also like a corresponding state existence or principle of existence conceived of as belonging to soul. Soul, what is soul? So no one can define soul. It is Amrullah. So in this, the existence state through which living organism can live, and after some time they become, when the soul removed from the body, they become dead. So divisions of biology. There are three major divisions of biology. Zoology means, zoo means animal, and logos means study. This is the first division of biology. The study of animals is called biology. Study of animal is called biology, zoology, sorry. Next, the second division of zoology, biology is botany. The second division of biology is botany. So in this division, we study plants. In this division, we study plants. So the study of plants is called botany. Study of plants is called botany. What is animal and what is plant and what is its difference? Animals are those organisms which cannot prepare their food by themselves and can move from one place to another place very easily. And what is plants? These are those organisms which prepare their own food by the help of photosynthesis and can't move from one place to another place. Another division of biology is microbiology. Another division is microbiology. Micro means small. Bio means life and logos means study. So micro means here those living organisms which cannot be seen by the help of naked eye or by the help of human eye, and it only can be seen by the help of microscope. So like bacteria and viruses, we cannot see by our own eyes. So this type of life is called micro life, or microorganism, or small organisms. In the study of these small organisms is called microbiology. Study of microorganisms, or the study of microscopic organisms, or the study of those organisms which cannot be seen by the help of human eye. By the help of human eye is called microbiology. And these are the three main divisions of microbiology: zoology, botany, and biology. Zoology, botany, and microbiology. Zoology, botany, and microbiology. So further we will discuss about divisions. What are the different divisions of branches of biology? Branches of biology. First branch of biology is morphology. Morph means shape or structure. Logos means study. So the study of form, shape, and structure organization of an organism is called morphology. The study of form, shape, and structure organization of an organism is called morphology. Or the study of external appearance of an organism is also called morphology. Means in morphology we study on usually the external appearance of an organism. Anatomy. This is the second branch of biology, study of internal structure of an organism. The study of internal structure. In morphology we study external shape, form, and anatomy we study internal structure of an organism. Third is histology. Histo means tissue. And logos means study. What is tissue? Tissue is the collection of cells. The collection of similar cells which perform a same function is called tissue. What is tissue? The collection of similar cells which perform a same function is called tissue. Histo means tissue, so the study of tissue. The study of tissue is called histology, or the study of composition, structure, and function of tissue. There may be animal tissue or plant tissue. So study of animal tissue is animal histology, and the study of plant tissue is called plant histology. Physiology. Physio means function. Physio means function. Physio means function. So the study of different functions, the study of function of different parts of an organism and the activities occurring in them is called physiology. In physiology, we study the function of different parts of living body. Function of different parts of living body, like kidney function, liver function, heart function, brain function, etc. So in physiology, we study only function. Okay. Embryology. Next, fifth branch is embryology, is a fifth branch of biology. Embryo means an organism before hatching, before they come out from egg or from mother. So the mother uterus is called embryo. Means an organism before hatching is called embryo. So the study of embryo is simply called embryology, or according to course of 9th class, the study of embryo formation and its development to new organism. The study of embryo formation and its development to new organism is called embryology. It's called embryology, the study of new embryo formation and its development to new organism till before hatching. In the hatch, there will not be an embryo. Okay. Number 6 branch of biology is taxonomy. Taxonomy simply is the classification of naming of organisms. So we can define it as the study of classification of organisms and their scientific naming. In taxonomy, we give to living organism scientific names. So the study of classification of organism and their scientific namings. How we give them to scientific names. This type of study is called taxonomy. In taxonomy, we classify the organisms and give them scientific names. Scientific name consists of 2 names. One is generic name and one is species name. Later we will discuss it in chapter of biodiversity. Oh, cell biology or cytology. Cell biology or cytology. Cell biology or cytology. What is cell biology and what is cytology? Cyto means cell. Cyto means cell. The study of cell is called cell biology. The study of cell is called biology. Cell biology. Or the study of structure and function of a cell is called cell biology. Palentology. Palentology, paleo means fossils. Fossils mean in dead organisms remain for a long time, like 10 million years or something like that, inside the earth. They are called fossils. The study of fossil of past organism is called paleontology. Study of fossils is called paleontology. In paleontology, we study the fossil organisms. So they may be plant or animals. So what we called if they are plant or if they are animals. Paleobotany. Paleobotany means the study of fossil plant. And the study of fossil animals is called paleozoology. Paleobotany is the study of fossil plants, and paleozoology is the study of fossil plants. The paleozoology is the study of fossil animals, and paleobotany is the study of fossil plants. And the study of fossil of past organism is called palentology. Paleobotany and paleozoology are the main branches of palentology. Immunology. In immunology, we study our defense system, how our body protect how our immune system protect the body from diseases. So the study of the defense system against disease causing agent is called immunology. In immunology, we study our immune system, how they defend our body from diseases. So the study of body defense system against disease causing agent is called immunology. Next branch is entomology. Entomology means the study of insects. The study of insect is called entomology. The study of insect is called entomology. So what is insect? Insects are those invertebrates which have three body parts: head, thoracic, and abdomen. Head, thoracic, and abdomen. And from the thoracic region arise 6 jointed legs. This type of organism is called insect. And the study of insect is called entomology. The study of insect is called entomology. Next branch is the genetics. Genetics is the study of gene. Gene is the unit of heredity through which character are transferred from parents to offspring. So, how we can define genetics? The study of transmission of characters from parents to offspring is called genetics. The study of transmission of character from parents to offspring is called genetics, or the study of gene is called genetics. Biotechnology. Biotechnology, we usually study those organisms which we use for the welfare of humanity, how they benefit humans. So the study of organisms used for the welfare of humanity is called biotechnology. We use like different organisms, like we use bacteria to prepare insulin and treat by these insulin we treat diabetes. So we use the techniques of biotechnology for the preparation of insulin, and we use living organisms like bacteria for this purpose. So that type of study is called biotechnology. Study of organisms used for the welfare of humanity is called biotechnology. Next branch is environmental biology. As the name indicates, environmental biology. Environment is the surrounding of an organism, or the surrounding of an organism is called environment. So the study of interaction of organism with their environment, or the study of interaction of an organism and their environment is called environmental biology. Environment is the place where an organism live, and the study of an organism, the study of interaction of an organism with their environment is called environmental biology. Parasitology. In parasitology, we study all type of parasites. Like, what is parasite? Parasites are those organisms which get food from another organism and also cause disease in them. What is parasite? Parasite are those organisms which getting food from other living organisms and also cause disease to them. Is called parasite. And the study of these parasite is called parasitology, or the study of parasite and all aspects of parasitism is called parasitology. How they cause disease, how they interact. This type of study is called parasitology. Sociobiology. In sociobiology, we study social animals. Social animals, they have some common characteristics. They behave social. So the study of social behavior of some animals is called sociobiology. In these social animals include ants. Ants have some social behavior. Bees also have, and like human. And human also have social behavior. So we study in sociobiology these behavior of organisms. The study of social behavior of some organisms is ants, bees. E.g. means, for example, ants, bees, and human, etc. is called sociobiology. Number last, this pharmacology. In pharmacology, we study drugs. So the study of drugs and their effect on human body. In pharmacology, we also study the different type of pharmacology and maybe animal, not necessary. So the study of drugs and their effect on human body is called pharmacology. According to 9 class courses, it is enough. And these are all about 9 class branches of biology in 9 class course. Okay, so in pharmacology, last is pharmacology. In pharmacology, we study drugs and their effect, how they affect on human body. Good luck. See you next time.